Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day. And I'm in my hometown of Hammonton, New Jersey. And this is a community I know well. It's Bella Vita in Hammonton, very close to the downtown. It's a cul-de-sac community. There's only 12 houses here, and very rarely do these properties come up. So I'm going to show you. This is 438 Bella Vita Court. Let's check it out now. This home is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. It's 2,370 square feet, public water, public sewer, and on the cul-de-sac. That's really, really nice for your family. Let's check out the inside. So it's got the center hall, colonial foyer with the big crescent window, very, very tall ceiling there. It's probably about 19, 20 feet tall. You have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. This was the redwood model, and this property was built in 2009, so it's not that old. And the redwood was known for its bump outs all over. So you can see the expansion that gives you. So coming from the formal living room, this is the family room. You have the gas log fireplace, windows galore here, copious amounts of sunshine come in from the south in the afternoon. We'll check this out in a minute, the outside. Another bump out, which gives you more space for an even bigger table if you want it. 9-foot ceilings. These are the 42-inch cabinets. So you've got gobs and gobs of space here. And you have the granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package as well. And what's really nice, it has this desk with the granite countertop, and you pull up a chair, put your computer there, nice and neat. This is a laundry room, and that feeds into the garage, so it's a 2-car garage. You have a half bath to my right. And walking into, this is a really beautiful room. The dining room, it's got the wainscoting all around the perimeter at the base. And look at this beautiful trim work, the crown moldings at the top. And you have the LED lighting package, which is really special, gives you that illumination, plus this special drywall detail, which really gives a nice touch to this room. Really, really elegant. The foyer is more wainscoting. And of course that opens up to the upstairs, which we'll check out momentarily. Heading outside, got this very large backyard here. You can see how expansive it is. You have 6-foot vinyl fencing. It's already installed for you. Don't need to do anything. And what's really cool about this property is the carnival grounds are about a half a block to my east. So you're within walking distance, and the family can walk down there during that incredible Italian festival that happens in July here in Hammonton. What's also nice is you've got Infraera's market over there. It's a great Italian market, so anything you need, milk, any other types of food products within walking distance. And you have this well exit here, which is a really, really nice feature. Easy walk out, easy ability to store some of your big items, get it in and out of the house. Really, really nice feature. Let's head upstairs and we'll check out the second floor. This design originally was for a 4-bedroom. The current owner converted bedrooms 3 and 4. They made it into 1 bedroom. So you can convert that back if you need the extra space. All you got to do is add the doorway here. We'll call this bedroom number 1. Everything nice and neat, the way it should be. Got your closet. Got a full bath. Tile floor. Looks like it's almost never been used, this bathroom. This is bedroom number 2, and you can convert this back into 2 bedrooms if you want. You just need to put the partition wall in over here. But you have a closet and a closet, easily accommodated. And who doesn't love this kind of feeling, the openness of the 2nd-story foyer? You have the lookout over here, looking down below. Really, really elegant. So checking out the master bedroom, you have the double doors, which makes it real nice. And it's just a huge space here. King-size bed, no problem. 2 nightstands, no problem. And one of the features that the seller incorporated when she built the property was this tray ceiling. Everything nice and neat, gives it that extra altitude, very nice. Walk-in closet, plenty of space for everything. And you have a huge master bath suite. Got the soaking tub, very deep. Real nice. Stand-up shower, plenty of sunshine coming in, and you have the dual sink vanities, and you also have a linen closet behind here. Let's check out the basement. Basement is cool because it's very deep. I mean, the ceilings are extra high here. I'm not sure if they're 8 foot, maybe they're 8.5 foot, but it's real tall. So it's not finished. We'll leave that up to you. But you can see how much space, and what's really, really nice is that you have the walkout well exit to the backyard. And the seller installed a drain system. There's dual sub pumps. You don't have to worry about any of that. She's taking care of all of it. But tons of space. You got your furnace on the other side, but areas where you could store stuff, but you could also finish this, whatever you want to do. As you can see, we're all over South Jersey, and this just happens to be in my hometown of Hammonton, which I absolutely love selling homes here. I got many, many customers, many friends and family here. If you're enjoying the content, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. It really helps get the word out all over South Jersey of what a great job we do at listing properties. And these YouTube videos especially have been very, very successful in additional marketing that gets properties sold at top dollar. We could do the same thing for you. 3 beds, 2.5 baths. In the middle of everything, heart of Hammonton. You could walk to the downtown, no problem. The carnival right here, public water, public sewer, 2,370 square feet. You even are close enough to walk to the Hammonton public schools. So don't let this one pass you by. Check it out. This is a really excellent property in an excellent area. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.